Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm playing with seats in my 1983 Talbot SOLARA. Fun times. I managed to get the back ones out already, and they are a completely different setup to the ones that come out of the donor car, which is an Alpine, which is a hatchback. So they're a completely different construction. So either into heavily modifying the framework so they'll fit, or can we get the old fabric off and get the new fabric on? But will it even fit because the seats are different? Only one way to find out. Let's crack on. So what the hell am I talking about, guys? Well, these are the donor seats, which are hinged and have this framework construction which the other seats don't have. So this is going to have to be cut off, I think, which should be fun. That will just unbolt. They will then have two halves. Don't really want to do that, but I might have to. And I'll just get the camera and I'll show you the underside of the seats. So as you can see here, this has this mechanism because the seats are designed to tilt and fold forward. That's obviously not going to happen in a saloon because the way it's constructed. So yes, I could unbolt these, they just unscrew as it happens, but that's not going to help me put the legs on because the legs are welded to the base of that seat. I don't have a welder, so I can't cut them. I just can't simply cut them off. So I'm into taking this fabric off and trying to transfer it carefully to that seat base. So I've got my little pot. So from what I can see, so with the seat on the floor like this, you can see this construction. This bar, which is essential for my car, for a saloon, is part of this framework, so I can't simply remove it. That is welded to this construction. So I'm tasked with having to remove all these little hog rings, which I've never done before, so not too sure how this is going to play out, guys, but I think I'll get a few off if I can. I'll go from there. Right, some time and effort later, I have to say, guys, that was the easy part, just getting those off. Once I got the method of how to remove the clips, it wasn't too bad, but I'm probably going to need to invest in some new ones. Maybe between what's come off this seat frame and the other, we can get away with it, but we'll see. go. If that bar was removable, I could have just put that on the seat frame, but this is what it is. Right, so I'm going to put this carefully out of the way. We'll have another look at the other seat. So spot the difference, guys. This frame is wider, the contours, the shape of it are completely different. So that base won't go into the car as it is, but it will, but it just doesn't sit right. Before I do anything drastic, I'm going to cut these brackets off, because they're useless anyway. But I want to see if I can try and get that to sit in the car. So personally, I don't think there's enough material to cover this seat frame. That's my biggest fear. If I take it all apart, just looking at it, you can tell it's not going to fit properly. What to do? Right, I'm going to cut these brackets off because they've got to come off anyway. I'll see what that is like in the car and find a way of maybe securing that to the base of the... I don't know, it's going to be a bit of a work off, I think. Right, some hammering and pry bar and a bit of back and forth friction. They've both clean broken off. So now, in theory, that should sit on the back. I just need to find a way of attaching this. I mean, with that forward, that'll sit on the floor at the correct height. I still need to find a way of anchoring this to the base of the seat. To get a bit ingenious, but let's try it in the car and see what it looks like. Well, it's in there, but obviously it's not quite lined up. And at the moment, obviously that's not ideal. It's just sat there. I mean, it's the right height, but it all depends on how the back fits in there. I think what I'm going to have to do is bolt the back of the seat to the frame. There's some holes in the back of the seat and some holes here. So potentially I could get a nut and bolt through there into the back of the seat and hold that in place. But I'm going to take this back out for now. I'm not going to leave it in there because I want to get the now I know this is sort of sat roughly where it needs to be. I could maybe get a friendly garage to sort of spot weld it into place or something. I don't know, I'm just thinking out of the box, but yeah, a step in the right direction at least. So this is the backrest, or back seat if you like. Bit more to take off here. These brackets need to come off, as do those. I think they're welded to the frame, so that's going to be a challenge. And also this little stopper, because that's going to prevent me from snapping the seat up against the back of the car. So I want to find out how this is held in place, which means taking this off. Right, what's behind door number 1? Oh, okay, so that is part of that. That solves that problem, doesn't it? Oh look, 6th of March 85 that says. So these are of a year younger car. Oh, excuse me. Right, so that's going to have to be broken off. I'll get a chisel in there and tap it and hopefully separate the join there because it's only sort of welded loosely in place. These are going to be a bit more of a challenge because they've got to come off as well. So yeah, once that's out of the way, I can then get the back of this seat bolted into place and we can see how it's all going to come together. But yeah, slow progress, but a step in the right direction, methinks. Well, I couldn't resist trying the back seat just to see if it is going to fit in place, guys, and I think it's going to be alright. So once that bracket's out of the way, guys, obviously that's going to be cut off, as is the back bracket there. That'll allow the back seat to sit firmly against the base. We can get it bolted into position. Good times. So we're getting there with the Talbot interior. A little bit of work to do yet, but I'm pleased with the progress so far. That's good for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon with some more content. Take care.